Welcome once again. This is the part B of our series on timing of structures. This section talks about folds. Alright, so I'll draw a folded structure. Okay, suppose we call this units 1, 2, 3, and 4. You'll want to observe the thicknesses on the flanks and at the crests for each unit. Right, so supposing that these units are Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, and Pliocene in age. Right, so what we observe very quickly here is that units 1 and 2 do have preserved thicknesses, all the way from the flank all the way to the crest. But for units 3 and 4, right, we see thinning onto the structure, especially at crest of this structure. Now that tells us something. So that means that during the Eocene and Oligocene times, this area was flat. In other words, the structure had not formed, right? It also means that at the Miocene time, we recorded the onset of the formation. So that's when the anticline actually started forming, and that's actually derived from the thicknesses we observed for unit 3, which shows the first thinning onto the structure. Right, so this means that folding in this area had started in the Miocene, and we could tell that simply by looking at the thickness of the packages. So this whole process actually started, so this whole folding process started in the Miocene and continued all the way to the Pliocene. And that's evident from the thickness of the of unit 4, which was even more drastic thinning as you go from flank to the crest of the anticline of the structure.